Have you ever wanted to sell personalized print-on-demand e-commerce products because you know how profitable they are, you know that they're trending, you know that they work, but you aren't really comfortable with the technical side of things, or you aren't really comfortable using Customly, Blue, and some of these other personalized apps? Well, today I'm going to be showing you how you can actually sell personalized print-on-demand products with high profit margins that also have personalization, and you don't need to download anything else or use any other technologies. We're just going to be using our supplier, ShineOn. Of course, our trusted supplier, one of my favorite print-on-demand suppliers to work with, has now released personalization within their app with no extra technology or apps or manual work needed. So a customer can simply personalize their jewelry product. And I'm not just talking about the name necklace. We do have a video on that covers how to set up the name necklaces, but I'm talking about the actual print-on-demand jewelry card, being able to personalize the name, whether it be the signature or who it's to, and being able to create one-of-a-kind print-on-demand jewelry products that we can profit from. So we're gonna dive into how to do that step by step. And again, it's gonna be super simple, super easy. So if you've ever wanted to do this for yourself, for your Shopify brand, for your Etsy store, for your Amazon store, I'm gonna be showing you exactly how to do that today. Before we continue, please sign up for a ShineOn account if you have not already. It only takes a couple minutes. It's absolutely free to do, and it can jumpstart your journey into e-commerce and print-on-demand if you aren't already signed up with them. You need them in order to continue this tutorial, and you have nothing to lose by signing up for an account with them. So simply click the link in my description, and it will take you through the steps. It only takes a few minutes. If you need a video to walk you through it, I also have a video on how to sign up for ShineOn, how to get it integrated with Shopify and Etsy, and everything else that you will need to get started. So I will see you on the other side and show you how to upload these personalized print-on-demand products. All right, so now that you have ShineOn, you're signed in, you're synced up with your Shopify and your Etsy store, we can get started with our personalized products. Now, if your screen doesn't look like this and you aren't signed in to either Shopify or Etsy or your ShineOn account, go watch this video. It will guide you through how to actually connect everything and sign up to everything. And if you have further questions, let me know in the comments. So once you're inside of your ShineOn account, you'll click Create New, and this will bring you to the catalog page where they actually will show you a whole catalog of items that you can offer as a print-on-demand seller to your customers. Now, some of these can be personalized. For example, the acrylic art, the acrylic plaques, these can all be personalized with text. Now, the ones that I'm gonna be focusing on today are going to be the simple pendant necklaces with the luxury and simple boxes and the message cards. The message card is going to be what we actually personalize, but I do want to go ahead and remind you that they have name necklaces. This one in particular is multiple names, and then they have some other types of scripts and fonts and styles available for you. So this is also a form of personalization. And if you don't want to personalize the message card, you want to offer a personalized necklace, you could go with one of these options. But for today's video, since I've already covered this in a previous video, I would like to focus on the message card and the simple pendants. So I'm actually going to select this necklace here, and you'll notice that some of these up here that says no message card, we don't want those. We want to scroll down until we get to the section that has the message cards. Select your jewelry piece. And now you're going to have access to, again, this entire catalog is all high profit print-on-demand products. So you're looking at, it only costs $13.90 for the base price of the rose gold standard box. And we're looking to sell this around $59.95. So the leftover profit we're looking at is around $40 to $60 basically. So depending on the option that our customers choose, we're making a very nice profit compared to something like a t-shirt where we'd be making closer to maybe $5 to $10 for profit. So very first thing you're going to need is a file, the actual artwork that will be used on the card. However, I'm not going to be covering how to create that in this video. You can watch this video instructing you on how to actually use Canva and create this type of art. And if you would like to see another video on how to create these, let me know. But you're essentially going to want to upload your art, and then it will look like this. And you're going to have the option to add personalizations. Now you can add more than one personalization. In the future, they will probably have image as an option too, but right now we just have text. So before you even begin designing, you're going to need to decide what is customizable. So do your Etsy research, do your research on your competitors, see what's working well, and then decide what you're going to personalize. Is it going to be the signature? Is it going to be a name? Is it going to be a date? What's it going to be? So in this case, it's going to be the signature. I'm going to click and drag on the text option. It's going to put this personalized box on my artwork, and then I'm now going to basically try and fill in the space where normally there would be a signature. I want to make it long enough that customers can type in pretty much any signature they want, with it still looking clean and not going too far beyond the rest of the design. So if you're familiar with these types of designs, you'll know how to kind of structure this, but otherwise we'll do it together here. So we're going to type in grandma as the text that will pop up on the design. Now, if you'll notice, it's not in the right place. It's not the right color. So in this case, you may also need to change the font. I don't need to change it because I used Great Vibes as my signature font down here. The love is already Great Vibes as a font, so I don't need to change it, but you may need to change this. I'm going to do, for style, I'm going to do medium. I'm going to change the color to white because we want it to match the rest of the design. And then I'm going to change the sizing to 70. Now that's my sizing for the signature. You're going to have to know what size you need to put here as well. Now, one of the most important things is to actually align this to the left side. That way we can actually move this around and position it in a way that actually provides a good looking end product for our customers. So this way, our customers, when they're on our website trying to see what this will look like on the actual card itself, in real time, they'll see this updated. So I'll show you what I mean here in just a moment. Of course, we're going to want to put a title, so we can say personalized granddaughter connected hearts necklace. We can specify that it's a personalized signature. I'm going to scroll down. I'm not going to put anything in this description, but if you were to put this on Etsy or Shopify, you might want to spend some time putting your actual message in here, optimizing this description a little bit with maybe an offer where if they buy more than one, they get 10% off, buy 3, get 15% off, you know, that sort of thing where they feel the incentive to purchase more than one. So our pricing, I'm going to leave the same, and then our images, I'm also going to leave exactly the same. And then what I'm going to do is hit publish down here in the bottom right. Now this will either publish to directly live on your Shopify store, or if you're publishing this to Etsy, it will pop up in your drafts section. Now in this case, I've published it to my Shopify store, but I also have an Etsy store that I want to duplicate it to. So I recommend clicking actions, duplicate, and then duplicate it over to your Etsy store. There'll be a little pop-up and it will ask you what you want to duplicate to. Choose your Etsy store because you followed previous videos on how to connect it, and then basically you're able to duplicate this product directly into your drafts section. You can edit it, optimize it with tags and titles and everything else you need to do, and then publish it live on Etsy. So I can make a video showing how to set up the personalization on Etsy as well. But for this video, the scope of this video, I just wanted to show you how to actually create it in ShineOn, how to actually set up the personalization in ShineOn. And now we can go take a look at it on the Shopify page and see what it looks like for our customers too. And here's what the product page looks like. It looks really good. As you can see here, we have this personalized text box that pops up automatically as part of ShineOn's theme. So someone can type in their personalized text, their personalized message. In this case, it's going to be a signature, and it will actually change to reflect that down at the bottom. So I'm going to type in my personalized text. It's going to say that it's updating. I accidentally added it to cart, but if I go back and type in my personalized text, then it's going to update all of these images so that the customer can see what it looks like in real time. And there we have it, guys. So this is a super simple way to get started with personalization with print on demand. Now your goal is essentially to find the best trending personalized products that are in demand, that people are paying money for, and add them to your Shopify store, add them to your Etsy store. If you're on Shopify, you're going to be doing paid ads more than likely, promoting them on social media. If you're doing Etsy or Amazon, you're likely going to be optimizing your listings for maximum traffic and maximum sales. So if you have questions, Let me know if you have a specific video that you would like me to record and something you would like to learn. Let me know. I'd love to hear from you. And as always, have an amazing day, create something awesome, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.